That
Straight to
news
the
was
point.
brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
Tatak RMN.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko! Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Pahit para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality. That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
This newscast is brought to you by iBerry for a clear and healthy eyesight.
Dahil sa sapat na kapital at makabagong makinarya, mas produktibo na ang bukirin ko. Nakapagpundar na rin ako ng bahay, nakapagpag-graduate pa ako ng doktor at engineer.
Gaya ni Ginoong Judani Cara, 2024 Land Bank Ulirang Magsasaka Awardee. Kaya mo ring pagyamanin ang iyong agribusiness sa tulong ng Land Bank AgriSenso Plus. Ang Land Bank AgriSenso Plus ay programang pautang ng Land Bank para sa mga magsasaka, mangingisda, SMEs at korporasyong nakapokus sa agrikultura. Land Bank AgriSenso Plus, kaagapay sa pag-asenso.
For more details, visit the Land Bank Lending Center near you or call 02-8405-700. Your future, powered by Land Bank. Land Bank is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and a member of PDIC and BancNet.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique!
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing, ISO certified, world-class quality.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm Fabcon, bangong pumakabloom, tanggal amoy kulob sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Babcon with Bloom Fresh technology kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
Kasmooth sa hair.
Pero itchy na sad.
Kahumot sa hair.
Pero itchy na sad.
Kabouncy sa hair.
Pero itchy na sad.
Tiis ganda sa it.
Katiis ganda yarn.
Girl, bas hindi na makaya sa beauty shampoo. Stop the katiis ganda with Head & Shoulders every day. With regular use, get up to 100% dandruff-free beautiful hair with no visible flakes.
Kagwapa sa hair, gadijud matiis sa uban.
Pagsulay na karon sa Head & Shoulders.
Up to 100% dandruff-free with Head & Shoulders.
Barbie Forteza po. And I believe ang taong sa pera ay wais, ang skin pwede pa rin kuminis. And I thank you, Silka Papaya Lotion. Dahil 750 pesos SRP lang, giving na ang papaya enzymes niya. Affordable skincare, di ba? Kaya kung bet mo ay kutis na lit, sa Silka Papaya Lotion kumapit. With regular use, slay it with the skin na giving. Stay lit with Silka. With regular use for only 750 pesos SRP.
Stay lit with the #1 whitening lotion based on retail market with regular use. Silka Papaya Lotion, 750 pesos SRP lang per sachet.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Kami at si Camille Villar, tuloy-tuloy ang tulong hanggang makaahon.
Ako si Jerry Ramos, isang heart surgery survivor. Maliliit pa yung mga anak namin. Nung bigla akong inatake sa puso. Nung nalaman ko na heart bypass daw ang gagawin sa akin at malaki ang gagastusin, lumapit kami sa tanggapan ni Ma'am Camille Villar sa pagmamahal ni Ma'am Camille ng mga taga Las Piñero. Natulungan tayo.
Kay Camille Villar kami, bagong boses, bagong bukas.
Iboto number 66 sa Senado. Political advertisement paid for and by Nationalista Party. Second floor, Villar Foundation Building, C5 Extension Road, Pulang Lupa 1, Las Piñas City.
Tatak RMN. Maskin donde, hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.